There's another thing, Honorable Speaker, additional charge is being given to many officers. And I think this practice should be stopped. For example, the Mapsa Municipal Council Chief Officer is holding additional charge. Then recently I have seen that Margao Municipal Council Chief Officer, the existing one has been shunted out and somebody else is holding additional charge. You may have reasons for putting somebody here. I'm not espousing a cause for somebody particularly. But what I say is additional charge, they come on particular days. And if they come on certain days and that day they have a meeting or they got some high-level meeting, they don't turn up, people come and people go. People can't get the service they want. And places like Mapsa municipality needs a full-time chief officer. So I request that stop this process of giving additional charge. You can groom up somebody to come and take that charge if you feel. And if the person is deficient, you can remove him. But I think unless you give charge to somebody else, this kind of lethargy in working, even the staff won't work, and there will be big rush on that day. And it won't be efficient working of the government.